Hi, I am the doctor. My last video I showed you how to do a walkthrough inspection on a truck. This time I'm going to show you how to do a walkthrough on a trailer. Come with me. You see how we got the trailer right here? Just sitting right here. We're going to back up the truck right up into it. First thing we're going to do, there we go. It's there. We're going to lift up these legs up like the way they are. And when they lift up, and they're lifting up fine, they're not dry, then okay. But if they're dry and they're squeaking, giving you a hard time, you connect grease right here into the, let's see, zerk fitting right here. Now, what we're going to do now is walk over here. We're going to connect the air lines, the electrical and serviceable air line right here, and the 7-way cord right here. We're going to get that started right there after it's in the fifth wheel. Now, key on, engine off. We're going to walk through, make sure all electrical problems right here, the lines are working properly, the 7-way cord's working properly. Walk all the way to the back, see all the lights. Going to make sure all the lights are on each side. Make sure they're bright as you're going through. You're going to make sure your door handle in the back is secure, your doors are secure, your mud flap brackets are not bent or broken. You're going to make sure your mud flaps are secure on both sides. Now, as you're coming back up this way, you're going to look at your tires. You're going to make sure they're not worn out, no low tread. You're going to make sure there's no sidewall damage here. You can make sure your valve stem that's in here is secured, and ain't no air leaking out through it, and there's a cap on it. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 tires on this side, 4 on the other side. Now, you're going to walk up all the way up here, check it. Lights are all on. Make sure they're all on. You can come in here and you're just going to hit left side signal blinker. You can check them all from right here to the back. Make sure everything's blinking properly. And right side, same routine. This side, make sure everything's blinking properly. Hit the brakes one time, and then it can show you right here they're working properly. And that's all you need to do an inspection on a trailer. So when you're going to get your load. I am the doctor. Peace and have a nice day.